Hey y'all, this is Tasha. If you are new, I of course love beauty, and throughout my channel I will be showcasing my family members because they are all gifted. And this is going to be an install by my cousin Kelsey. The hair is by Beauty Forever. It's not sponsored or anything. Like I said, I just want to, just show some of their good work. Excuse the mess because I'm actually going out tonight. But yeah, if that's something that you would like to see, then just keep on watching. And you know what? I probably should have used this light. Definitely should have used the light. But anyway, you guys, keep on watching.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan. All you need, but I was wrong, 'cause she was wrong. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Fronting like you numb, it got me gone. You're only about yourself. Wanna find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be pencil in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you're really the plan. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like there was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? How you gonna
Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Glass. See, cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Athletic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on the brain, won't stick them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco.
All right, y'all. So this is the final look. If you would like to book with Kelsey, the link will be down in the bio. If you're in the Madison County, Huntsville area, make sure you hit her up. I mean, I really love the install. I love the color, like Beauty Forever. I love the hair. I will also link down the wig information below if you are interested. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching.